So welcome to AppFix and the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a practical step on how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. I was actually facing the same issue and I figured out a way of actually solving it. So looking right here is my Roblox app. As you can see here, mine is actually loading up now. So if yours is actually facing that same issue, this is what you need to do. Now the first step you need to take is to ensure that you are using a good internet connection by going to your device, scrolling down on your device like this, and clicking on airplane mode in order to fix your internet connection and turning it off as well. This is actually going to help to reset your internet and help your internet to be of a good condition. So right here, the next step you need to take, if that does not actually work out for you, is to go to your phone settings like this. So when you go to your phone settings like this, looking right here, you'll be able to see where it says apps. So you need to go to the app sections like this. When you do that, at the top right corner you can see the search button, so you need to go ahead and click on that and search for Roblox. So when you search for Roblox, go ahead and click on Roblox like this, and you'll be able to see where it says storage. So you need to go ahead and click on storage and click on clear cache, as well as click on clear data. So when you click on clear data like this, click on delete and you'll be able to delete your Roblox data. So when you go back to your Roblox app, it is actually going to ask you to re-input your login details, and you need to re-input it. So if after re-inputting it, yet it is not actually loading up, then you need to consider restarting your device like this by clicking on restart and restart your device. Then go back to your Roblox app and this is going to be fixed. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.